Hello viewers, I am Anbarivu. Today we are going to see about Google Meet features. Many of them moving from Zoom to Google Meet. Whatever the features available in Zoom is also available in Google Meet too. These features are not given directly like Zoom. They have given in the name of extension one by one. We will see how to add and use those features in Google Meet. Before going to the video, still if not subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for latest updates. Go to Google Chrome web browser, click extension, in that Google Meet Grid View. In that related documents are available. Node reaction for Google Meet, Meet attendance, Google Meet Grid View, visual effects, then call timer, then breakout, push to talk, then attendance is there, then presenter is there, then disable the person, visual background, then Meet launch. First I will add the Google Meet Grid View to the Chrome. Add to Chrome, then add extension. Now it is added. Extension symbol is present near the website link at right top. Click the node reaction for Google Meet, add to Chrome, then add extension. It is added. Now come to Meet attendance, click add to Chrome, then add extension, click, then come to Google Meet push to talk, click add to Chrome, click add extension, then come to DuoLess, add to Chrome, then click add extension. DuoLess purpose is we can split the screen and share one of the screen to the students or meeting persons. What are the features you want for Google Meet, you can add. One more feature I will add to the Chrome, that is virtual background for Google Meet. Add to Chrome, then click add extension. So far I added what are the features I need. I have added everything. Now come to Google Meet, search Google Meet, then click the first link. For explaining, I am going to conduct a new meeting in that instant meeting. Video is getting ready. Click join now. Now I have joined. I am going to copy the link and send it to my mobile. I am going to add one more person through the mobile. Click admit. Now 2 persons added. Come to right bottom, click the 3 dots, click change layout. In Google Meet at a time maximum we can able to see 16 students only. For to see maximum number of students, we need to come for the extension. There is a grid box is there. Click that grid box. We can see n number of students at a time in single screen. Only show participants with video. The participants alone can able to see. Highlight the speaker persons alone. Include yourself in the grid. Enable the grid view by default option is there. Enable the screen capture mode also is there. Then come for the node. Okay. After receiving some feedbacks, the students have to respond with help of the emojis. Next option, push to talk. Click that push to talk option. Here you will get one shortcut key for mute your volume. I am adding space button. If I want to mute my volume, means if I click the space button, it will automatically mute. Now I am going to unmute, then going to mute with the help of the space button. Next option is taking attendance in the Gmeet. Meet attendance options are, we can create a new sheet or new spreadsheet. Click the people, there is a one tick column is there. If the tick means shows number of persons are participating, we'll see few options is there in that. Taking attendance, new sheet is there, new spreadsheet is there. Then whenever if you want to take the attendance, on off button is there. Then to open the attendance sheet, there is a tick column is there. If you want to tick means automatically generate the attendance. Okay, this is our sheet. Here right now 2 persons are participated the class. Again I want to show the attendance. Just on and off the button. One person is left. Again is trying to join. Now the second person joined. Now I want to take the attendance. Okay, you just click that tick button. Now it shows the attendance instantly in the second column. Attendance can take any time of the class. It will be helpful to monitor the students. Let me see some of the extension features are there in the Google Meet. We can able to disable the adding persons. Then we can share to the classroom directly. Then we can create a virtual background for the Google Meet. Now we will see about DualS option. If I click the DualS option, it will ask how we have to share the screen. I will click 7:3 ratio. Okay, now it's split into 2 screens. One screen is for my purpose, another screen it helps you to share to the students. Okay, now I am going to share the second screen. Click the present now. Click single window. In that I am going to share which I want to show to the students. I am going to share the new tab. Now I can see both the screens at a time, but students can able to see only the searching screen alone. It also helpful for to monitor the students. Stop sharing the screen. As of now, mute all option is not available in Google Meet. If you are thinking few more options are not available in the Google Meet, write in comment box. If you like this video, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.